So hi, my name is Julia Kelly, and I am an environmental engineer, and I work in downtown Boston at a company called Hazen and Sawyer. And what's your name?
My name is Skylar, and I'm in third grade, and I go to the Arthur D. Healy School.
Awesome. Well, it's nice to meet you, Skylar.
What's your favorite part of the job, or one cool, surprising thing that you've gotten to do as an engineer?
So one of the coolest things that I have been able to do is go back to my hometown and tour the drinking water and the wastewater facilities there. And the drinking water facility is responsible for delivering water from like a lake, for example, to your home safely, and then returning that water when you're done with it back to the environment safely. And it was cool for me to be able to go back and see the places that were responsible for delivering my water to me and be part of maintaining those structures in the future.